we have our ice cream truck, and I always say that's our ace in the hole. We have 2 ice cream trucks now, and I always joke. I said, if you told me 37 years ago coming on this job that our officers would enjoy riding around in full uniform in an ice cream truck, I'd say you're crazy. But that's the type of policing that we are now. But when I only bring that up because Chelsea, Brian Case, who's a great partner, he's buying an ice cream truck now. So like St. Louis has bought an ice cream truck. So everyone's buying ice cream trucks now because what a better way to interact with young kids, especially after, heaven forbid, I remember in Washington Park off one of the boulevards, we had a young kid shot, and people were fearful to go back. And the next day we were down there giving out hoodsies. So that's become a key component of who we are.